I just don't like this nigga Yachty face.
Number 2, shitting me, nigga. You think I'm under you? Build my cars B. I'm nicer than the Huxtable. In case you ain't get it, greatness takes a price to fuel collateral damage. Sometimes I even like it too. Bad bitch inbox me. Yeah, she might get flu, but you gotta match this brains. Give me the right IQ. Keep that thing off sale. Keep that pussy price to shoot. The type that been on more niggas than a Nike shoot. They watch my dribble and fear Daddy Mike can shoot. That's when I cross some on over and take it right to hoop. I'm from where you stick your neck out and you might get cooped, topped off, and not the way that you like it too. I'm likely to transform on niggas like a liking do. Try not to bear my fangs, but they be biting through. Try not to make your food the best that I can do. But y'all post and I get hungry while I enjoy the view. Pray to God that I keep coming to. And you could pause what I just said until I start hunting you. Best rapper alive like Wayne on the Carter 2. Go ahead and sing, that's what you're gonna do. Go ahead and get your streams even at the cost of you. Any means sell those ticks, just how Boston do. How you, a Boston got someone bossing you. Fuck up and start talking fast like auctions do. Round here, everything for sale, simple prices, few that stay true. No matter the hate they might accrue, I'm entitled to say I'm the king at least for a night or two. And even with that crown, I wouldn't bow to you. Rival who? Not the likes of you. You know what I can do. I'm too powerful.
Straight like that.